Now we're ready to trim. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take your utility knife or your hobby knife and go right along that crease that you created with your squeegee. Don't cut like this into the Tolex. You're just going to cut right through that seam that's created by the binding. Remember, you don't need any pressure. And if you watch the other video, practice your pressure on the small sample piece of material that I sent you. That's all you need to do. And that peels away. Now you notice your binding isn't actually stitched in there. This piece of Tolex is only glued in place. So you can lift it away a little bit and then use your squeegee to tuck that film in. Like that. And then that finishes it off, and it looks like it was supposed to be there. So do that all the way around your case, and then we'll show you again how to post heat the graphic and make sure that it stays on there for a good long time. Now that you've got your trim work done and it's nicely tucked in behind the binding, it's time to post heat the graphic. And we do this to activate the adhesive as well as make sure that it stays down. So get your heat gun and your homemade roller or your hair dryer with a diffuser. And I like to start with the center of the arch and then work my way out around the edges. So start by applying your heat to the center of the arch. Gently push down the heated area, and you'll know you've done it right when you can see the texture of the Tolex case showing through the graphic film. If it's not done right, you won't see the texture. So go over that area again. Once you do the entire top of the case, then you're going to work around the sides of the case. So you're going to do the same technique. You're going to heat that area up and roll that in nicely. So you may have a little difficulty doing that with your homemade roller. Another way of doing it is by just taking your microfiber cloth and pushing it with your hand or squeegee. So if you got 2 microfiber cloths wrapped around your squeegee, it'll do the same thing. You do that to the entire edge of the case. Now you're done. You got a great looking case. All your friends are going to be envious of.